Hello guys, my name is Toluani Amoye and I'm going to be making a vlog on a very productive day in my life. I have a lot of things mapped out for today and I really hope I achieve them because let me not say today is going to be stressful because I've already set God ahead of my day. So yeah, I really want you guys to be part of this. So come. Ooh, that was a long walk. So actually this is about few minutes after 8 and I have a class by 10. I have a class to attend by 10. but I want to go to school earlier than that time, like maybe 1 hour earlier, so that I can get some things done. I have some files to submit and a letter to submit also. I also have capturing to do. So right now I want to go and look for something that I can snack on or just eat. I may end up not eating though, but that's just the plan for now. And if I don't get anything to eat, I may just take coffee just to keep me active through the day till I come back home to get something to eat. So yeah, that's all that is happening right now. And I already chosen the clothes I was going to wear. Let me show you guys. I have this really nice leggings that I've been wearing for some years now, and this top that I got of recent from my mom. But I'm having mixed feeling about this because it's quite thick, and I don't know if the sun is going to come out or not. But right now it's cold, but I don't know how it will be later in the day. This cloth is thick and it's also long sleeve. I wish I could open it up, but when I wear it, you see. So it's long sleeve and it's thick, so I'm having mixed feeling about it if I should wear it or not. But we'll see to it though. So yeah, guys, I'm all dressed up, and let me show you what I'm wearing. So I later changed my mind about these clothes, that this is what I'm going to wear whether I like it or yes. If I feel hot, let me feel hot, but I just feel so comfortable in it. And just comment in the comment section below what you think about it. See, it's very thick. So this is exactly 9 a.m. and I have class by 10. So I believe once I get to school, I should be able to finish up what I'm doing before the class by 10, so that I can get to class on time. But before then, let me show you things that I'm going to be packing with me to school. I'm going to be carrying this very big bag because I have files to take with me. So the bag is really nice, but it's big, very big. So let me show you what I'll put in inside. Then now my white file is also, and I have my purse. This purse, I misplaced it one time, but now I found it and I'm so happy. I have my glasses. So many things are going into this bag because it cannot just be big for nothing. I have snacks that I can eat later in the day. Then my nose mask, I'm going to wear this. My power bank, my charger. So that's all here. Then on this side, I don't know if this side. So I'll put my bottled water here because I need to stay hydrated. And lastly, I have this little comb that I can use to straighten out my hair anytime it gets rough. So that's all really in my bag. Yeah. So the thing is, basically you have to check the school, come down from your bus and walk into the school to the other side after being checked, and from there you enter your bus back and again you start moving. It's quite a long distance, but yeah, we see it already. You are qualified to enter the school, so from there enter the bus back and So basically, I'm heading towards the admin building. I don't know if you can see it. Let me zoom it in. Towards admin, and I really hope I get what I want to do. I get it done. So yeah. So right now I'm so disappointed. Like, I'm just coming back and I discovered I forgot my slip for doing the capturing. I forgot it at home. So basically I have to either go print another one or wait till today's Friday or wait till Monday. But I'm not sure if I want to come to school on Monday. So I guess I'll have to go print it out and come back. I'm getting stressed already, even without starting my day fully. But it's all good. We move. So this is motion ground where all the magic happens. Where all the magic of I want to print, I want to get snacks, I want to eat, I want to relax and all of that. This is where the magic happens. So present, I want to go and print out what I said I want to print out. Yeah, guys, I'm so stressed up. I've gotten the sleep, so I'm heading there already. This is the old admin. The new admin is somewhere around down from where I was coming from. So okay, let's see if I can get this thing done today, and I pray with the leading of the Holy Spirit I must get it done. So I'm just leaving the admin where I was supposed to do the capturing. So the office was locked, so I have to come back later. The office was already locked, so I have to come back later or possibly on Monday. It's good I don't want to come to on Monday. I'll still come there. So let's see how it goes. I'm going for my class presently. It's few minutes to 10, so I'll just take keke and go. Yeah. So basically, mass communication has a seminar today, and we are going to be taking that seminar in the ICANN lecture theater. So when I'm done with that, I'll know my next step and next thing I'm going to do today. So this is this accounting whatever? No. So yeah. This is the PRO of ASCOM. meet the PRO of ASCOM. That's the Association of Student Communicators, and her name is Rants, and this is the AGA, Assistant General Secretary of ASCOM also. So we are getting set for the seminar. Bye bye. Continue. Oh yeah. So guys, this is my department, so I'm ready to go and submit my file. This is Department of Mass Communication. We also have our faculty building on the first floor upstairs. So I want to see my level advisor and get the files submitted. See ya. Guys, I'm so stressed up. Like, I've been able to submit the first file, but I not submitted the other three. I was told to go and perforate it, so I went there, I did it. So I'm going back there, or let me say I went back there, and getting to half of the way, I discovered that I forgot my purse where I went to buy gum to use for my passport. So basically I had to trek back. You see how hot the sun is? Let me show you. But you may not be able to see it, but then I literally just walked back. I got my purse and I'm going back there again. If you see the distance that I have to trek and cover, you pity me. So anybody that wants to, how am I going to put it now, to maybe get me a car should please do. Yeah, I need it. So that's all. But you know what, after submitting these 3 files in my bag, that's all for today, man. I can't come and kill myself. I just can't. I couldn't can't. I can't kill myself. So yeah, let's see how it goes. I may still end up walking down to admin again, but I'm not sure. I may end up walking down to admin again, but I'm not that sure. So it's not feeling weird the way I'm holding a camera right in front of my face on the road, but it's fine though. I may still have to trek to admin, but my shoes out already. So I don't know, it depends. If I'm able to relax a little, I'll try again. So yeah, let's see. Bye bye, till next time. Woo. Hi guys, can you see how I look? I look so stressed up, so used. So basically, I'm in the faculty right now. I've submitted the file. I was thinking I could get to admin today, but I don't think I can. I have to go home. I'm wearing out, so peace out. I just got back from school about a minute ago, and I feel so tired. I feel so exhausted. I even have a headache. So all I'll do now is to shower and sleep. So when I wake up, I'll get something to eat and read a little before I call it a day. Yeah, bye.